Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your history in the ChatGPT app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the ChatGPT app, like this. Here it opens up in the messages board, but we have to swipe right to open up this little list. And here in this list at the top there is history under the new chat button. We tap on history, and here we can check all the chats that have been started with OpenAI's chatbot. So again, you swipe right, and here you just tap on history and you can check the chats if you have some important information that you want to check in one of those. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.